Hey everybody, Eric here from LabFix. We got another video for you guys today. I made a video a little bit, not too long ago actually, about webcams and Macbooks. And I pretty much was saying, probably shouldn't do it because, right, it can damage your screen. Now, we have a great one in here for today. We have this nice 16-inch, this is the A2141. I believe it's a 2019, it's a 16-inch. Very nice display. If you guys know the price on 16 inches today, yeah, it's not too great. But we have it in here for repair, and we're actually taking a look at it here. And when I turn it on, see if I can show you guys. See, there's a webcam at the very, very top here. You want to just bring it down. See it right there? There's a crack. It's really hard to see, but there's also a vertical line that goes this. Very, very dim, but I think you guys can see it right now. Right there. I think this is a better angle here. Sorry for the vertical here, but I got a better angle with this camera. The light was a little bit in the way, but here's showing a great example of the crack. So you can see this very cheap webcam cover damages this whole entire screen. Normally when you have a screen, right, it's putting pressure on all four sides or all the way around. That's why there's a little bit of a rubber bumper that goes along this whole side here. So when you close it, it's to be putting pressure evenly. But when you have something like a webcam cover that's sticking out, even giving the littlest amount of give there, like that, just a little bit, it's going to be enough to crack the screen if you close this hard enough, or even if you close this normally, because that's what you can damage the screen already that way as it is. So it's really interesting to actually see that. Now, I did already make a video about talking about this before, and it was kind of like a warning for it, but now it's good to really show you guys actually the picture and the crack there, because it made a big deal. Now, this is a 16-inch, this A2041 2019. We don't have to go into specifics on pricing for this. You guys already know for a 16-inch laptop, this is the most highest end Apple actually does offer, and obviously it's going to be pretty expensive for our screen, but pretty much to say a very, very cheap, maybe 50 cents or $1, a webcam cover damages this whole entire screen just to do that. What we would probably more prefer is just not to have a webcam cover whatsoever because of that problem. That's most likely what you want to do, because any type of adhesive, any type of glue, you don't want that to damage your screen. This is a very nice, very, very expensive screen. Just disable the camera every time you don't want to use it. Just make the privacy settings to go off, because I think that's the best way to do it. You don't want to be doing any type of hardware covering or damaging your screen. So hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, please do like. Really does help us a lot. Just a quick little informative video for you guys today. And take my warning, take my heed. Hope you guys enjoyed again. See you guys next time. Bye.